These days I am not doing live events. I did once in New York, and then I am committed to do this Shreem Brzee live event in San Diego. There is no doubt that the live event will give you more than in events that you watch on the webcast. Why? Because it's a live event. And as far as I'm concerned, in a live event, I just only channel what comes at that time. I don't go prepared. Unless I want to do a lot, even when I have some notes, I don't follow that. As far as Shreem Brzee is concerned, over the past, say 20 years, or 20 years, I have had a mixed relationship with this sound. I abandoned it and then I came back, and I'm now committed to it. Not that I think that although I want the entire world to be transformed materially through the sound, and I will work hard towards that. But it is up to the people who are coming to the program and how they respond to it. That is very important. So if we just live Shreem Brzee, so one of the most powerful way of doing any mantra for that matter is that you become the mantra. There is no, the mind is not there. So in the live event, I'm going to be saying things that will come to me at that time, and that depends upon the place, the people who come, and also the time. And luckily, this 29th happens to be, I think it's a full moon, and also the Avatar Day of Narasimha, somebody told me. So those time frames are very powerful to be in the company of a master. So I invite you, because it's going to be one of the rare events, that live event that I'm doing. I don't know when the next event will be, so why not take advantage while I'm still here in San Diego and doing the program. So what is this Shreem Brzee going to do for you? If you realize the sound, you realize material wealth. Because the sound is primarily material wealth. It's not that it will give you only material wealth. But the intention of Vishwamitra, who created it, was to give to people a life that he lived like a king. So I will talk about it, and then it would also be a session where I would do a transmission. A transmission happens when there is a total empathy for all those who come, and and the suffering that they go, and then you are able to relate to the suffering they are going through. So that's what I am going to do. So I look forward to see some of you there. And if we can't afford the program, that's well and good. There are a lot of free program I'm going to be doing, which you can do that. So don't feel you will be left out. God bless.